Hello traders, Nathan here. Now this is just but a quick video, something that I shared a little bit earlier with some of the trader friends that I have on my group and channel. And if you do not have access to my channel or group, I will leave the links in the description tab below. Feel free to join. All right, perfect. Now as they say, the early bird catches the worm. Of course, I knew I had positions. I had to take care of my positions, and this is what I have to say. Of course, for those, let me speak specifically to those guys who are in the group and the channel. Of course, we got frustrated uh, late New York. Because the market just made a dip, just they plunged the market right to VWAP. This is what we call the volume weighted average price, or aka volume weighted average price, which means VWAP. And we could see some nice climax churn bars popping up right at VWAP, of course indicating that there's some fighting, ultra high volume fighting going on just within this particular vicinity. And of course we had some nice decrease in the selling activity. Of course they don't have a footprint at this moment in time, so this was a perfect long. And we played this long, we got out. Now for me, I played this scalp, got out here, and obviously started reaccumulating my longs. And something very interesting, as soon as London came out right at 1900 hours, as you can see the timer right at the bottom. London traders, the London market the London session closed, and we were just trading New York, right? Yeah, I'm not used to waking up so early in the morning, so you forgive me. So yeah, so we got into some nice consolidation right here. I'm giving a market recap, and if you do not understand what the volume bars indicate or what they mean, then I believe that you need to probably understand that before you even think of looking at a footprint chart. A footprint chart looks like this, right? This is what a footprint chart looks like. This is where exactly you get to see where the buyers and sellers are. This is kind of the buying and selling activity with respect to where price is trading, and very important for you to understand VSA first before you think of even looking at a footprint chart. Okay, perfect. So yeah, we're getting some nice churning as soon as we go to VWAP, and obviously, like I said, we maintain our longs, and for me, I just kept on buying the dip. And this is a nice trade example that I can showcase right here. As you can see, the market made a dip, climax, a low, or what you call a selling climax, selling exhaustion coming in, and of course we get some nice automatic rally right here. And you can see price rejecting, price kind of retreating back and fighting. You can only see this on the footprint chart. I don't have time to share this because it's just early morning here. I don't have much time for this, and obviously we got back to VWAP, and it's just as simple as just following the order flow activity and following everything, and always understanding that you can never you will rarely be wrong, sorry, if you have your trade in sync with the order flow. And this is the most important thing. And obviously we get rewarded during token. Let's have a look, guys, what's happening at this moment in time. We're getting some divergence, if we can call it that, and this is going to be very tricky for so many traders, because retail is going to get absolutely thrashed. Algos, super algos, and expert advisors are going to get absolutely smashed because price is not going to head in the direction in which they think. Now, we are order flow traders, we get to see exactly what's happening. The reason as to why I'm not looking at the footprint chart is simply because it is not the right time to look at the footprint chart. Now we see this kind of activity at this moment in time, and this is going to be simply telling us that price is making higher highs. Okay, if you compare this week and this other week, then we see that price is making higher highs with decreasing delta. Okay, you get to see it right here. Now, if this stuff is very new to you, I believe that you should find time to try and understand what delta is about. Delta is the only proxy that enables us as order flow traders to understand, measure the magnitude or strength of any move. Okay, so I don't have much time, guys. I'm very sleepy. I have to go back to bed, and I'm just accumulating my shorts right here, just small positions, low risk, not much for us, buying, selling, shorting right at semi round number 1650, and just hold this. And these are, anybody who understands FX understands that in any move during Tokyo sets the initial highs of the day or initial lows, depending on which side the market moves, and it's all about understanding if this particular moment in time that these particular levels are hold as highs or lows. And you can only tell by looking at the footprint chart and looking at the order flow, or in other words, looking at the delta. So that's said and done. I think I hope that somebody somewhere finds this video helpful. Forgive me because very sleepy. I'm going to make a comprehensive video in the next few less than 24 hours, and we are going to discuss a little bit more about you can follow the euro dollar. We're going to discuss a lot about exactly what this trade opportunity presented, and what it held and the outcome. So that's said and done. I believe this was a fantastic catch right here for about this is 40 plus 30, something about somewhere in the region of 40 plus 30, somewhere in the region of 40 plus 30 is 70 pips. Decent. For me, I just have to call it a day. I don't have to trade on Friday, because of this nice little catch right here. Thought I could share this video so that somebody somewhere finds it helpful. If you don't understand what these volume bars imply, then I believe that you need to dig deeper and probably find out exactly what happens. Sign up to my course. If you think that you do not understand, sign up for my mentorship, and I'll be glad to take you through the entire course and explain exactly what we talk about: order flow and volume spread analysis. All right, so that's it and done. I'm going to keep it straight up, whatever minutes, and I'm looking forward to making the next video. Of course, today sounds so boring. It's early morning here. I'm not used to waking up so early. So you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I'm looking forward to speak to you guys very soon. Cheers, and stay safe and be very happy always. And before that, like I said, we're shorting the euro dollar, right, off these highs because of what's happening at this moment in time. Of course, we see some nice divergence, and volume is backing it up because the volume is drying up as we make new highs. So when you see market making higher high, like I said, on decreasing buying activity, then you obviously take the opposite side and you go short. All right, so 10 minutes on the dot. I'll speak to you guys very soon. Stay happy always, and it's been nice. Click the description tab below to find the links, and hit the subscribe button if you do not subscribe, if you have not subscribed to my channel. So yeah guys, so I'm going to take some rest, and let's see what the year represents. I'm going to hold these shots, and I'll speak to you guys very soon. Thank you.